Hey everyone, my name is Priyanka and I welcome you back to my channel Culinary Stories. I hope you're liking and making our recipes at home. Today we bring you one of my favorite chicken biryani from the land of Mughals. Super delicious and super easy and quick. Let's see how to make it.
To start with, I have taken boneless chicken breast. I've taken yogurt to marinate and my spices, salt, red chili powder, turmeric and coriander powder, and I've marinated it for 30 minutes. This is my water to boil my rice. To this I have added green cardamom, black cardamom, bay leaf, cloves and salt. My water is boiled now. I have removed all my cloves, bay leaf and cardamoms because I don't like it in my mouth. If you want, you can keep it and then put the rice. In a pressure cooker, I have put oil and heated it and put cumin seeds. Once they splutter, I added roughly chopped garlic and fried it till it's golden brown in color. Once my garlic is done, I add my sliced onion and fry them till they turn golden brown in color. Once my onions are ready, I add my marinated chicken and mix it well for 1 minute with half cup of water in it. After 1 minute, I add my remaining things: chopped tomatoes, green chili and roughly chopped ginger. I give it a nice mix for about 2-3 minutes till tomatoes get soft. Once my tomatoes are soft, I add my remaining spices, which is salt, red chili powder, turmeric and coriander powder. Please be careful because we have used these spices in marination as well. The detailed list of ingredients are in the description box. I add half cup of water in it, give it a nice mix and stir. Our next step is to cover the lid and pressure cook for 5 whistles on medium flame. Our rice looks ready. I add 1 teaspoon of rose water and after that I will drain the excess water from my rice. We are done with 5 whistles. Slowly, gradually we will take out this steam and by now the chicken should be well done. We will give it a nice mix for around 3-4 minutes. Make it a nice thick gravy, a thick consistency, and our curry is ready. Now let's start the layering process. For that, first we need to remove all of the chicken in a bowl. Our first step is to layer the biryani with rice. You can also use some gravy at the bottom under the rice, that's optional. I did not put a whole portion of curry under it, but it had traces of curry. So it's totally optional if you want to put. Now I'm gonna garnish it with beautiful coriander leaves. It looks really beautiful with coriander leaves, and I've also garnished my chicken with coriander leaves. So my chicken also has a lot of coriander leaves. Please note, detailed ingredient list is in the description box in which each quantity is mentioned. Now I'm going to put my chicken layer, spread it evenly, and then again I'm going to do a second layer of my rice. Once my layering is done, I add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter, that is called ghee. This is totally optional, you can skip it. Now I will cover my pressure cooker. I will not put it on steam. I will remove the steam and let the biryani cook for all the masalas to be mixed with each other nicely for about 2-3 minutes on a low flame. And our delicious chicken biryani is ready. It goes best with chilled raita next to it. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching my recipe. I hope you like it, and if you do like it, please don't forget to tag us when you make it. If you like my video and my channel, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.